Welcome to the supplementary video. In this video we will find one more way of finding the rational numbers between given any two numbers, and this is the simplest way. Okay, this is the way in which only doing one calculation you can find as many as numbers in between any two given rational numbers. So here we will take the example of we'll take question number 3, which is find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So if we have to find 5 rational numbers between these two numbers, then we will take digit 5 plus 1, 6. So we will just increase 1 to the number of rational numbers we have to find out, and then we will simply multiply the number 6 to the numerator and denominator of the first rational number and to the numerator and denominator of the second rational numbers. And what we are getting is 6 3s are 18 and 5 6 are 30. Here 4 6 are 24 and 5 6 are 30. Now we have to find 5 rational numbers, so we will just make 5 columns. Alright, now just write the denominator as it is. If it is 30, you can see both the side it is 30, so it will be 30, and keep on increasing the numerator. So if it is 18, we will put it 19, then 20, then 21, then 22, then 23. And this way we find rational numbers between given any two rational numbers. And this is very easy way. Only once we have to do this multiplication, and then we simply write, like it is just like counting. We write the counting numbers. Okay, so review this video, revisit this video to understand the concept, and thanks for watching.